missile lock. Fire, fire, fire.
Introducing the Airhog Sharpshooter, the first missile-firing helicopter ever offered. Just aim, lock on target, and fire. The Sharpshooter's computer stabilizer and patented tail lock technology keep it steady so you can hit your target. This super stable heli carries an arsenal of 2 missiles and is always ready to fire. Just lock in your chosen target and blast them with the push of a button. Whether aiming at a stationary target or engaged in air-to-air combat, no enemies are out of range for the Sharpshooter. The Airhog Sharpshooter. Steady, aim, fire.